Hey y'all, I am back. I just got in from church, guys. Service was really really good. The word of the day was basically focused around your train of thought. Whatever you think will come into play. Minds are very powerful, and always remember God didn't just bring you this far just to leave you. You know, there's a purpose in your life, and where you going, and just stay aware of it and stay positive and give out more than you take in. Yes, y'all, I'm feeling these pants and stuff. I feel good. I feel great. I'm kind of upset that I don't have a lighter. I want to light my candle, but you learn to improvise, right? And when I say that, I mean I'm about to find a way to light this candle. I need to find a piece of paper. Find a piece of paper. Or guys, I can actually use a candle, right? I know I'm boosting on I can use this paper. So I'm gonna use this paper, guys. Hopefully I don't burn myself. Don't try this at home, chitlins. Y'all, it went out. It went out. So I'll keep it over here. Y'all, today I'm making turkey wings too. Y'all, it worked. I'm making turkey wings, y'all. I'm about to get my shit together. My ish together. Throwing this out. Y'all, I'm getting my aluminum foil. I'm gonna preheat my oven. 350. Y'all, I just want to really just say, like, God is good. God is good all the time. Let's not forget. 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 He is so good. Yes, he is. Let me get my seasonings out and then clean my turkey wings off, y'all. And then, of course, I gotta make some tea, right? So, y'all, let me turn the camera over a little bit. Today's Sunday, y'all, and I don't have to go to work tomorrow. Even though, you know what I just thought about too, y'all? Tomorrow's the inauguration of Donald Trump going into office, right? But it's supposed to be Martin Luther King's Day as well. Like, dang, we can't have nothing. Y'all, I may make some brownies for my brownies. So, y'all, I'm going to take a piece of paper towel right now. And I'm going to just, like, straighten up my bathroom and stuff, too, y'all. Y'all, and I always add aluminum foil at the bottom of my pan. Don't ask me why. That's just something that I do. And then we're going to come over here and clean the turkey wings really fast. Clean them off really fast. And then I'll make my tea. We got 1 turkey wing. 2. And I like ShopRite's turkey wings only because they don't have they're not all like big like dinosaur pieces and stuff like that. So I like that about the ShopRite. So I recommend ShopRite turkey wings. And I'm gonna keep the water on cold so I can make some tea. You feel me? I could do it like this, like that. I just keep them all one way. Yeah. Y'all, I'm using my Slap Your Mama. Seems like nothing don't want to come out. My ground black pepper. Oh, I almost dropped it. Yo, I went to the movies last night to see Wolfman. For the most part, it was pretty good. Something different to see, to watch. And I really believe that sometimes, well, a lot of the time, those movies be having like some truth to it. Call me crazy if you like, but that's just how I feel, right? I feel like sometimes those movies be having some truth to it. So I just flipped the turkey wings over, y'all, and I'm seasoning the other side of it really good. And then I'm gonna cover them up. Oh, my black pepper. I'm gonna let y'all see what this looking like. Y'all, should I put some onions in it? Yeah, maybe I should cut up an onion, right? And I want to add some of the garlic. I want to add some garlic salt, but I'll be like cautious with that only because it's salty, y'all. And I don't like my food to be too salty. We got tomorrow off. I don't have nothing to do. Even if I wanted to take care of some business, everything is closed. But I am supposed to be going to Greater Essex, which is like a substance abuse clinic, treatment facility. I'm supposed to be going there to just check things out, see how they operate. I might even help a little bit, only because I want to stay within the field in which I went to school for. Not substance abuse. I went to school for counseling in general, you know. But still, it gives me the time just to still be in tune and be involved with that aspect of the counseling field, you know. So I'm pretty happy about that, going there tomorrow. Even if I just go for like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, whatever the case may be, as long as I'm in there. Y'all, I'm gonna take a little bit of the garlic salt, put it in my hand, because y'all know I'm scared to just throw it up on it. Oh, throw it up on it. I'm gonna put a little bit of butter on it, guys. Just a little bit, right? Oh, I was just on the phone with my best friend. She in the hair salon getting her hair done. So that's it, y'all. I'm gonna add a little piece over here. It looks lonely. And I'm gonna add a little bit of water. We want the water to like kind of steam the turkey wings. So let me get some water, y'all. And then I'm gonna cover my turkey wings up, but I'm gonna let y'all see what it's looking like after I add the water here. Okay, just a little bit. And this is what my turkey wings look like, y'all, once I added all my seasonings and my little butter and so forth and my onions. Yep. And then, guys, I am going to take my aluminum foil, cover them up really good. And again, I have preheated the oven when I first walked in. And I'm gonna put these away. Put these in the oven. Y'all, I'm gonna make some brown rice. But I'm gonna put my seasonings up really fast. Definitely gonna make some brown rice with this. That's that. I'm grabbing my tea, y'all. I'm throwing this out. We're gonna put some Gatorades in the refrigerator for Zaire. Y'all, should I make some baked macaroni and cheese? I think I should. That's what I'm gonna do. Let me fill my pot up. I can make a small thing of macaroni and cheese, y'all. So I'm filling up my pot right now with water and then putting it on the stove so I could do that. And I'm gonna make some brownies. I got my water going. Got a brand new box of macaroni and cheese noodles. And I'm putting my scoops in now for my tea. Y'all, this tea be so good. And I need to get, I forgot, I need to get some cups, some paper, plastic cups, or whatever the case may be. But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all having a very productive Sunday. Find something positive to do. Make sure you thank God, whichever God you worship or believe in. Just thank Him for giving you life. And whatever it is that you setting out to do with your life, just keep on going, even if it seems like nothing's changing. You didn't come this far just to get this far. It's a reason to everything, okay? I'm gonna let y'all go with that being said. I might come back in and check y'all later. I just wanted to come and share the word with you guys. Share some light, some peace, some happiness, and some love with you all. Yeah. I know a lot of people heard about TikTok being banned. I feel like they psyching us out. I feel like they're going to get it back up and running soon. So I'm shaking up this jug for this tea. You know what I'd be thinking about? Like all the people that really just, oh, it's snowing out here, y'all. All the people that just, their only source of income is through social media platforms. I'd be like, dang, y'all. What if everything just crashed? Like, what would you do? Like, what would you do? So please, I encourage everybody, go back to school when you're making all this money. Go back to school, get into acting, do something else besides just let social media be your only outlet for income. Oh man, this is a lot. Okay. I'm gonna put the tea back and go grab a few sodas and put them in the refrigerator. Y'all, we got some Fanta orange, some Fanta pineapple, and y'all know I'm going back in to get me some Coca-Colas and Sprites. I have to, y'all. So hold on. Okay, y'all, and I'm going to put my noodles inside my pot. I'm stirring them up. And I know I said that I was going to stop putting the olive oil in it, but just a habit. And I'm going to add some of that now. Sheesh. Y'all, it's going to I'm going to put a drop of that in there. Just a teeny bit. And then I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt in there. Don't ask me why I add the salt. That's that. But yeah, y'all, I love y'all. And make today count. Bye.